Imagine the world's most anticipated drone launches, except the biggest market in the world won't even get it. That's exactly what might happen with DJI's brand new Mini 5 Pro. Today, I'll break down why the Mini 5 Pro could be skipping the United States, while DJI's other big product, the Osmo Nano, will be landing everywhere, including America. And trust me, the reason behind this difference might surprise you. So here's the story. DJI just confirmed the launch of the Mini 5 Pro, their latest ultra-light 249-gram drone. It's arriving tomorrow, almost 2 years after the Mini 4 Pro, which is still selling for about $759 on Amazon. The Mini 5 Pro should bring upgrades across camera performance, obstacle avoidance, and portability, basically everything drone enthusiasts have been waiting for. But here's the twist. DJI hasn't mentioned the Mini 5 Pro at all on its US website. None. Zero. Instead, teasers for the drone are popping up across DJI's Canadian and Mexican sites, but not in America. That's raised a big question. Why leave out the US market, especially when the Mini series has been one of DJI's best-selling drone lines globally? At the same time, DJI has announced another product, the Osmo Nano. It's a compact handheld stabilizer designed for creators, and unlike the Mini 5 Pro, it looks set for a full global launch. DJI has already promised that the Osmo Nano will hit shelves before the end of the month, following the same worldwide rollout strategy they used with the Osmo 360. So we have one product, global, and another, possibly locked out of the US. Here's the payoff. The absence of the Mini 5 Pro from DJI's US site is no accident. With the Mavic 4 Pro still missing from US shelves, it looks like DJI is navigating ongoing regulatory challenges in the States. That means drone fans in Canada, Mexico, and most of the world will get their hands on the Mini 5 Pro first, while US buyers may be left waiting or importing. Meanwhile, the Osmo Nano? That's DJI's safe bet for global success, bringing new stabilization tech to creators everywhere, no strings attached. So here's the takeaway. DJI is making bold moves, one product flying past borders, another grounded by them. The question is, will this frustrate American drone pilots enough to look elsewhere, or will they hold out for DJI's next big release? What do you think? Should DJI be more transparent about its US plans, or are these quiet omissions just part of the game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more updates on the latest tech launches, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.